In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update payment method in Lyft. First, let's open the Lyft app. Look for the Lyft icon on your device's home screen. It usually features a pink logo with a white outline. Once you find it, tap to launch the app. As the app opens, you may see a loading screen for a moment. This is normal. The app is connecting to Lyft servers to ensure you have the latest information and features. Once the app is fully loaded, you will be greeted by the home screen. This is where you can request rides, check your ride history, and manage your account settings. Opening the app is the first step to updating your payment method, and it sets the stage for everything that follows. Next, tap the menu icon or your profile picture. The menu icon is typically located in the upper left corner of the screen. It looks like three horizontal lines stacked on top of each other. If you prefer, you can also tap on your profile picture, which is usually found in the same area. This action opens a side menu that gives you access to various features within the app. You will see options like your trips, settings, and importantly, payment. This step is crucial because it navigates you to the part of the app where payment options are managed. From there, select payment. Once you tap the menu icon or your profile picture, a list of options will appear. Look for the payment option, which is usually near the top of the list. When you find it, tap on it to proceed. This will take you to the payment settings screen where you can view your current payment methods. It's important to access the payment section because this is where all your financial information is stored and managed, ensuring that you can pay for your rides seamlessly. Now, to add a new card or payment option, tap Add Payment Method. On the payment screen, you will see a button labeled Add Payment Method. This button is usually prominently displayed, making it easy to find. When you tap it, you will open a new screen where you can enter your details. This step allows you to update your payment information, which is essential for ensuring your rides are paid for without any issues. After tapping, you will feel a sense of accomplishment as you get closer to updating your payment method. Next, enter your new card details or choose another payment option such as PayPal, Apple Pay, Venmo, or Cash App. If you are entering card details, make sure to include the card number, expiration date, and security code. Alternatively, if you want to use one of the other payment options, look for their logos and tap on the one you prefer. Lyft accepts various payment methods, which gives you flexibility in how you pay for your rides. This matters because having multiple options can save you time and ensure you have a backup payment method ready. After entering your payment information, confirm your changes. Look for a Save or Confirm button at the bottom of the screen and tap it. This action is critical as it ensures all your new details are recorded in Lyft's system. A confirmation message may appear, reassuring you that your payment method has been successfully updated. If you see this message, you can feel confident that your information is secure and ready for future rides. With that ready, you have successfully updated your payment method in Lyft. Regularly checking and updating your payment information is a good practice, especially if you change cards or want to add new payment options. It helps keep your account secure and ensures that your rides are always paid for without any hassle. Thank you for watching this tutorial and happy riding.